how to make money without investment. So this is me in summer of 2023. I thought I had everything. I was in the industry of doing NFTs, crypto, and all of those. And I was making good money. I was making one or two SOL every day, which is $200-300 every day. Everything was good. I thought I was gonna retire my parent. I was gonna make the dream come through and be able to travel the world whenever I want, do whatever I want to do. However, the big crypto crash happened. Everything crashed. Bitcoin crash, ETH crash, Solana crash. Everything went down 60-70%. And I was stuck. I was stuck holding. I was holding to thousands of dollars in NFTs. And I had thousands of Solana coin in my wallet still. And I was hoping for that one magic moment that will pump the coin back up. But it never happened. It went from 100 to 60 to 40 to 20 and to 0. And I panic sell. I panic sell to break even. I panic sell all my crypto to break even. So I had over 60 SOL, and I invested $3,000 into it. And at that time of me selling everything, I made exactly $3,000 back. So all the work that I did over the past 2 to 3 years was worth 0. So I threw myself away, and I was like, oh my god, fuck this shit. I didn't want to do this anymore. And I was faced with a choice to either give up or adapt to something new and just keep trying to make this online thing work. And you know me, I wasn't about to quit. So I threw myself into learning SMA. I try everything up that I know about making money online. I watched Guru's video, the usual Iman, Gatsby, Thomas, those type of people. And like most of people, I fell for the hype. I try every method, do the cold calling, buy the course, make the CRM, and guess what? None of them work. And it was not as easy as people said. I was losing money because I was spending all my money on courses, and I was paying for the systems. I was paying for CRM. I was making jack shit. I was bouncing between 0 and 100 every month, and I had to go and work, or I was borrowing money from my parent to make this work. And if I'm being honest with you, I never think that this was gonna work. Never did. And I'm so grateful for my parent. That they allow me to try this out. So after a lot of try and error, I finally built a system that got myself my first ever client, and it worked. And I got paid from that client. So I took it from there and rebuilt everything that I had to tailor to that client, to match that demographic that bought from me. And this time I had capital to work with and our working strategies. So forward today, I nearly perfected that system, and making money or getting client online really is not that hard for me anymore. And I feel like this is one of the most essential thing that everyone should go through, because if you can earn money online, you can go anywhere, do anything you like. If you go get laid off your job the next day, you'll still be fine. So this is why I made this video, to show you how to make money without any investment and build an empire on your own. So the first step, anyone have to go through this. There's no one that skipped this first step, which is starting out. Most people start where they have no side hustle, no additional income, and unfortunately, a lot of them are stuck in the thinking stage, which means they don't get anything started at all. Basically, 50% of all people who think that they're gonna start a business never started, because they're just thinking about it. And I get it. The internet is basically this jungle, and there's a bunch of notion out there pushing the proven method that works. And the more gurus out there that there is, the more people get confused. So the best way to start is first learn your own strength, your budget, and your lifestyle. What are you willing to give up? All these three are what are you willing to give up. So whether you are willing to give up your skill and help someone out and use it for someone else, see what you have in your arsenal. So for example, when I started, I was good at doing analysis because I was in the crypto space for a while. So I learned how to do research, and that allowed me to find clients and talk to them and understand the problem beforehand, before I even get into the call. So what I recommend you doing is find one skill that you're good at, pitch it, and see if people are willing to pay for it. If not, develop your skill more, stack up your skill until people are asking for free work from you. And then from there, if you get so much people asking for free work, you can start charging for it. Next, stage 2. So a lot of people will fail It's inevitable. So stage 2 is failing stage. It is inevitable because almost all people who have started a business, they will never find their one and only the first try. Like for me, I went through 2 drop shipping businesses, 3 actually, 3 drop shipping businesses, and a VA hiring agency, and a construction niche agency before I landed on the business broker agency. And if I'm being honest with you, failing is not fun. You have no money and everything that you invested, you have to rebuild all over again. But this is the stage where people thrive or people die. So if I were you and you're starting out and your side hustle isn't really doing too well, I recommend try a new one. You should never be bind down by one business. If it's something that you have found that you can do better, even if it's in a similar industry, try it as a side hustle to that main business that you're doing. And if the other one is performing better than the one you started, switch to that one. And the cycle continues until you really find one that you want to commit yourself and work from it. So stage number 3. This stage is when you find a business that works and you started getting your first client, which is, I call it the optimization stage. I am in this stage right now. I found a niche I decently like, and I found ways I could get a client from it. So this is a stage where you are optimizing for the best result without you being there. Or if you do like being there, you just optimize for best result. Oh my god, the snow is crazy. Let's show you guys this. Snow is actually crazy. April. We're in April right now and we still got snows. That's awful. Oh my god, that is awful. So, yeah, like I was saying, I am in the stage of optimization. So what I mean by optimizing, when you are optimizing, you are finding the best way to either save money or make more money. Those are 2 goals that you want to have. And I do this through hiring more people to make more money, or I spend less on tools and focus on the ones that are more effective to save money. And in turn, when you have more money that you make or you save, you can pump that into the outreach method or the system that generate the best result. So that's something I'm working on right now. That's stage 4, optimizing. The last stage, which is where I hope to be in, it's gonna be automatic stage. What I mean by that is your company will be able to function without you, and it will still be growing without you. So a lot of business owners never get to this stage, and they either are stuck in stage 3 or stage 4. So either they're stuck optimizing the business forever, or they just keep business hopping. Every single time you see business hopping. That's why you see people with 1,000 portfolio, but none of those businesses are good. So that's why people just keep business hopping. And then optimizing stage, since it's too long and people don't have the knowledge to it, they're just stuck there and running their business at a maintenance rate. They're not making more money, or they're not optimizing to save more money. So stage 5 is when you and your company will grow without you being there. So that's the ultimate goal of the company, is to be ownerless. And there are ways that you can achieve this. The main way that I'm working toward right now is to build a consistent system that can work for me 24/7 without me touching it once. So that's my goal of running my businesses right now. But I've seen other ways that people have done this. Either you build a really good team who had your back, they would do everything that you do, and they would generate the result that you want. And since you have 10 people in your team, you have 10 different ideas coming in at once. Or you could hire someone to fulfill your role. So what I mean by that is having a different team in different department. You would have one big operator, and having an operator is super necessary, because once you leave your business to be ownerless, you don't want to go back. And having an operator there, make sure that you are running your business while you're not there, if that makes any sense. So having an operator there is the ultimate goal of building a business, and it will keep growing no matter if you are there or not, if you're out in Hawaii or not. All the real business decision you have to do is like, hey, you should partner with this guy or not. So you'll be out and about making big business decision, and you'll be just enjoying your life. So that's pretty much it on how you would make money without any investment, and how I would go about making money online right now. So if you find this video helpful, just let me know in the comment. And if you want, I have a free course down below to help you build a system to get you 5 to 10 client a month automatically. And that's what I've been doing for myself. So I'm giving you all this for free, so you can have the system and you can build the client that you want. So that's pretty much it. Other than that, later.